Hey guys, welcome back. So I just got some fruit and lime. You can see it here, and I just mixed one lime and lukewarm water with salt. Is inside my water bottle. You can see it. I'm about to drink it right now. Okay, so it's still very early in the morning. It's 7:45 a.m. okay, so I'm about to drink my warm water, lemon and salt. So guys, it's very important for someone to take fruit. Yeah, so I got this banana and apple yesterday evening. You can see it. I got some apples and lime. Sometimes you just need to eat fruit. Fruit is good in our system, most especially when you are trying to lose weight. You got to eat fruit. Okay, so here is my lime.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, as you can see, I just filled my rubber. You can see it. So this was the last one that I got. I did throw away the plastic rubber or gallon, so I decided to refill it. This one is the one that I bought last time. This one is 4 liters, so it's a washing soap. Okay, it's to wash your dishes. So I just finished washing the plate that my kids used to take breakfast this morning before going to school. So right now I'm about to start cooking. I just want to make lunch so that when they come back we can eat. So I make sure that before starting cooking, everywhere is looking beautiful. Yeah, that is me for you. So I just want everywhere to look nice. You can see these sweets are here. I got this one from AliExpress the other last time. So these are the one that I have before. You can see it. So guys, let me show you what I'm about to prepare. Okay, so guys, this is what I'm about to prepare. This is called Salsicia. I don't know what it's called in English. If you know the name, kindly put it on the comment section. This one is not hot dog. Oh no, this is not hot dog. I'll be preparing it with Irish potato. You can see it. So I got half bag of potato here. So this is what we are going to take for lunch. Then I'll also prepare pasta. I have spaghetti. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay guys, you can see it. This is my spaghetti. So I will also be preparing spaghetti with these tomatoes here. So when I'm done, I'm going to show you guys how it came out. Okay, just continue watching. In case you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So don't worry, the thing is just block. I just bring it out in my freezer. I'm going to put it in my microwave, okay, so that the thing will defrost. Okay guys, I just received this parcel right now. I don't actually know what is inside because I make order last month. I ordered for a lot of things online, so I want to open this one now so that I will know which one is this. Okay, let me open it. I don't know what is this. So wow, it's a handbag. Look at it. It came with this. Wow, look at the handbag. It's so beautiful. Wow, look at the handbag, guys. Wow, this is how it looks. Look at the handbag. Wow. I remember when I made the order, about a month ago. Yeah, it came with this. Came with this hairband. Look at it. And this is how the handbags look. Wow. I still have a lot of things to come. Oh my God. Look at it. You have a lot of pockets. You see, you have 2 pockets here. Then you have this design, this place. Then you have this strap. They've already put the strap. You can see it. Wow. Then if you turn the other side, this is how it looks. Have the zip. Wow, wow, wow. Look at it. Look at that. Handbag. Look at it. Ah, it's so beautiful. Look at it. You have this strap. They've already put it. Look at it. I remember I come across the handbag, you know. It was very, very affordable. I said, okay, let me just order it in case I want to go out, you know. Because some of my handbag is just, you know, so small. So I really love it. Look at it, guys. Wow, it's so cool. You have 2 zip here and this place. So let me open inside so that you guys. Okay, this is the inside. You can see it's very, very deep. Look at the inside. Wow. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. I actually got it on Amazon. In case, you know, I'm going to the supermarket, I will just pick it. Hey. Wow, I love it. It's so beautiful. Black handbag. Lest I forget, they even put their card. You can see it. In case I'm satisfied with the bag, I should give them 5-star, or I contact the manager, leave an email. So look at the card. Wow, I really love the bag. So I just packaged this bag. Everything is inside here. Well, the bag is worth it, sha. The money is very, very affordable. So guys, this is how I'm making it. You can see I just sliced the potato. I boiled it for about 2 minutes. I added thyme, curry powder, salt, Maggi cube, and olive oil. So I poured it inside my pan. Okay, then look at the salsicia down below. I'm going to put it in my gas now so that I will leave it for some minutes to cook. Okay, I'm going to cover it and let it cook for some like 45 minutes. Okay guys, I will see you later.